since ever. But hey, it's all good. Let's not think about it that much. 4 for the legs, 3 for the torso, 1 for the head. It's an 8X. You guys are right. It is constantly 8X. Anyway, compliments to you. Doing good, doing great. 1,555 total winners, rocks, oops, and this call. Congratulations to all of you. And yeah, you solved this math problem for me. I'll try my best, Rokas, and I will guess that the answer is 3. Let's go. Turbo spin. Got a 2X on Fireball. So this math problem, okay. You can't hear me? Oh no. No, storm would be cool. I mean, we did have a storm. Lightning storm. Ooh, let's go to Fireball. Let's go with a Fireball. Welcome to Fireball. All right, so top multiplier is a 500X. Let's go. Wait a second. Yes! Sorry for the yelling, but woo-hoo-hoo! It's a 500, baby. Let's go. Sorry. Anyway, 1,486 total winners. Rocks. Oops, in this call. Congratulations to all of you top winners. Nice. Let's go. Well. Let's go. Rokas, what is the math problem? Come on, tell me more. Here we go. Another spin. Let's go. Okay, we got a 4X. All monster match tricks on the battery charger. Um, 7. That I solved it. I didn't say that I was gonna solve it.